everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to learn how to create a React app using the latest version in 2025. As you might know, Create React app is now deprecated, so we will be using Vite, which is faster, better, and the recommended way to set up a React project. Let's get started. First, we need to create a new folder for our project. You can name it anything you like. Here, I am creating a folder called New Version. Then hold and drag your folder into your VS Code. Now open New Terminal in your VS Code. Now, type the following command to create a new React app using the latest version of Vite. Type npm create Vite at latest my new app, template React. Press enter, and Vite will set up your React project quickly. After running the command, it will ask you to select a framework. You will see options like React, Vue, Svelte, and more. Use the arrow keys to select React and press enter. Next, it will ask you to choose a variant. You will see options like JavaScript and TypeScript. Select JavaScript and press enter. Once the setup is complete, we need to go inside our newly created project folder. In my case, the folder name is My New App. Type this command and press enter. Now we need to install all the required dependencies. Type the following command and press enter. This command will install all the necessary packages for React to work properly. After installation is complete, we can start our React app. To do that, type this command, npm run dev, and press enter. Now, copy this link and open it in your browser. You will see your new React app running successfully. Now that our React app is running, let's write some basic code to display a custom message on the screen. Now, go to the src folder and open the file app.jsx. Delete everything inside it and replace it with the basic code. This is how we create a React app with the latest version in 2025 using Vite. Thank you for watching.